We smoking up America's favorite combo today, ribs and chicken. You know how you get at those fast casual restaurants, and you go there and see the menu, go to like the Applebee's or something. You be like, you know what? Let me get the baby back rib and chicken combo. So we gonna do that up for us today. You know, we gonna put a small little twist on it. Just a small twist on it. I got some pickle juice left from some pickles I made. So I'm gonna brine the baby back ribs, and we gonna brine the chicken up in there. So let's get this going. It's gonna be real simple and quick recipe to prepare. And we're gonna get outside in the morning and smoke it. So we're gonna let this go overnight. All right, be right back. Let's get them dried off. All right, let's trim it up just a little bit. So we can just get a little bit more uniform. We're just gonna go ahead and take this off. Since I had so many problems with trying to take this membrane off, I'm just gonna score it. How about that? Sometimes it comes off of me smooth, and sometimes it want to give me problems. So let's do a little crosshatch here. We can still get some flavor on the other side. All right, let's get this brined. Flip it over here so this meat side can soak up all that good brine. Pickle brine, ribs, and chicken. Let's get it wrapped up. Just like that, let's swim in that flavor. All right, we're doing 12 hours on this. I got 3 large chicken breasts here. I like buying them fresh because I can cut them up and I get way more for my money. So we're just gonna go ahead, cut them up. And when we cut them up, y'all, they still large. This one pretty big. Go ahead and split it down. Look at that. That's still gonna make a nice sandwich. So I'm gonna use this as a meal prep too. Look at all that good chicken breast. You know what? It's gonna probably be better if I cut this, and it's gonna cook better. Yep. So how many we made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is good all week for me and the wife. So we're gonna throw these in the gallon bag. I'm gonna steal a little of this pickle juice here. Oh yes. Got them all up in there. All right. So in the morning, I'm gonna hit it with some of this Kinder's Hickory Molasses. It's very low sodium. It's only 3% sodium. So we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit on it just to bring out the flavor a little more, because we got enough salt going from the brine. We're gonna get on out there on the smoker and do our thing. It's gonna be a nice day, about 48 degrees outside. So perfect weather for being out there on the smoker. All right, see y'all in the morning. we are finished with the browning. We're just gonna take it straight out and begin to season it. Don't forget the sides. Make this baby look pretty. Let those hang out. We're gonna go fire up this grill. And it's gonna be so tasty and delicious. All right, let's go. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's show this chicken some love too. Ooh, hit it with the same rub. Shake it up, it gets clumped up sometimes. I ain't used this one in a while, maybe that's why. Alright, she good. Nice and covered. Let's get loaded up. We always start light. A lot of times we don't need that much charcoal. And I got the nice fat piece of hickory. Simple as that. Let it come up to temp. We're gonna try to go 275 to 300 today. All right, we got some cold smoke going. We're gonna go ahead and get it on here right now. We'll go with the rib first. That's gonna take the longest to cook. Chicken breast ain't gonna take no time. So I'm gonna go meat side down first. And probably in about an hour and a half, 90 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it to the bone side. All right, let's have some fun, y'all. We outside. All right, we got it in our temperature range. It's nice and rolling. It's going. Now it's time for that flippity flip. We've been 90 minutes in. Let's do it. All right, got some nice color on now. Just gonna go ahead and let it do its thing. Trying to see if I need to spray something on now. Then I'm gonna go ahead and make up a little spritz. Spray on now. All right, let's give it a much needed spritz. Got balsamic vinegar and olive oil in here. Yeah, there we go. Little oil sheen. Set timer for 30 minutes. Let's check it out, see what we got. It's looking good right there. Pull out the thermometer and see what we got. 168 degrees. I need a new thermometer, y'all. I washed it and I guess that water got up in there and washed the numbers out. Let's get this wrapped up. Let's go ahead and spritz it. I got the DW on here, the double wrap. Nice and tight. Going back on now. So it's like 167. So if I let these roll 45 minutes, it should be just right. We are finished. Should be 210. Fall off the bone. Remember, we said it was a combo. So these shouldn't take too long. Let the internal get up to about 155. So check on it in about 20 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, We are at 20 minutes. We cooking at a lower temperature with the chicken breast. So it's going at 225. And I see this side here is hotter. See, look how those are looking. So I'll probably double flip those. We'll check on another 20 and see where we at. Alright folks, we'll let it go for another 20. Hour and 5 minutes total. And I must say, they are looking exquisite. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. Hey, don't you wish fast casual was like this when you went to the restaurants? It ain't like that. But we ain't come here really for the presentation. I was just doing something. We really came here to see how this pickle brine baby back rib is. Man, you taste all that pickle brine that come through there. It is amazing when you put the sauce in there and it just all comes together. Man, we want to see how the chicken is too. Oh, nice and moist. Oh my God. Juicy, baby. That pickle brine, smoke with that hickory. Oof.
Flavor is amazing, I'm sure.
Y'all saw how it's done. I'm about to eat. Bye, y'all. Oh my God.